What's up everybody? So I just got back after picking up our new project car. I'm gonna get it in the driveway, then I'm gonna be showing you exactly what it is. You already probably know based on the thumbnail, but I'm excited. Oh! Oh! I ain't good. Oh! 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 We're getting it. Oh! Shoot! Oh, crap. Oh, dang it. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, man, we are just all over the place. Oh hi, didn't see you there. So I don't know if you know this, but the Busted Beater YouTube channel is taking off. Let me pull up the live subscriber count here. Hope y'all can see that. So I don't know how well you were able to see that since that number is just flying up. It's basically just scrolling so fast. But we are currently sitting at 35 subscribers. And with a massive amount of subscribers comes massive sponsorships. So with that being said, I'd like to introduce Busted Beater's very first sponsor.
Matt Frey here, representing the Toughest Job in the Corps Instagram account. Our military folks, military personnel are out there defending our country. God bless them. Us military dependents are out here struggling to live the American dream. Just look at where big bad Uncle Sam is. Middle of the Pacific Ocean on a tropical island. Man, I gotta drive 3 minutes on the other side of the road just to get to this beach. It's a real struggle, and that's why I created my Instagram account, Toughest Job in the Corps. You wanna give us a follow? Please do. Follow, enjoy the content. Meanwhile, enjoy my band's video.
And here it is, my brand new, slightly used, pink Disney Princess Ford Mustang. I'm gonna get this thing off the trailer, then I'll give you guys a walk around. This is the Disney Princess Mustang. So underneath the hood, we got this 12-volt battery. And currently, this thing is not working. You can see we got our shifter, we got it in the bunny mode. If we hit the gas pedal, nothing. The radio works. You can also tell it's been through a couple crashes there. It's got some road rash all around the front. Come over to this side, we got a little more road rash. Looks like all up in this front grille we got a ton of dirt. They probably launched it off a massive hill and just lawn darted the thing. The interior is pretty nice. We got some dirt in here we're gonna have to clean up. You can see the decals on the hood have definitely seen better days. They're starting to fade. We'll get that fixed up then. And here's the back of her. You can see where the exhausts have got a little rub on them, but nothing to be concerned about. At one point, this thing was obviously an extremely fast Mustang. Just look at how much tread is taken off of these plastic tires. They're all scraped up. You can tell this thing was doing burnouts. I know it's been done before, but I haven't done it. I'm gonna be putting a motor in this thing. But first things first, I gotta get these Disney princesses off my car. Now that I got these Disney princesses off of here, I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm a pretty massive dude, so these seats are just not gonna cut it. We're gonna need something different. So we're gonna be ripping that out, and we're gonna start tearing the car apart. I'm also gonna get some of this dirt and grime out of here and leaves. order to get this steering wheel out, I gotta pull this pin up, which is like the whole steering column essentially, which means I'm gonna have to get underneath this thing. I got the Disney Princess Mustang all tore apart. So the game plan for this thing is I do want to build a go-kart out of it somehow. I want an engine up here. Haven't ordered any components. I don't have anything. This is all I got. So I don't know what's in store. So make sure you stick around to find out, because I'll be just as surprised as you are. Thank you guys for watching. You want to see what's going to happen to this thing? Make sure you like and subscribe.